Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Motorola Moto G 5G 2024 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone. To remove the back cover, you will need to soften the adhesive underneath. Place the phone with the back cover facing down on a heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. If you do not have a heating pad, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges of the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much heat, as excessive heat can damage the back cover or internal parts. Once the adhesive is softened, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the back cover and the phone frame. The best place to start is usually near the bottom edge of the phone. Insert a plastic opening pick or pry tool into the gap. Slowly slide the tool around the edges to separate the adhesive. Take your time during this step and avoid pushing the tool too far inside, as this can damage internal components. Please note there is strong adhesive around the camera area, so carefully work around this section and gently release the adhesive holding the back cover. Once the adhesive is fully separated, carefully lift and remove the back cover. For reassembly, it is recommended to clean away the old adhesive from the edges of the frame. Next, remove the SIM card tray and then remove the 18 screws holding the mid frame. Next, use a plastic opening pick or pry tool to create a small gap between the mid frame and the phone housing. Start from near the SIM card slot area, as this is usually the easiest place to begin. Slowly slide the tool around the edges to release the plastic clips holding the mid frame in place. Be careful when lifting the mid-frame, as the fingerprint sensor flex cable still connected. Open the mid-frame to a 90-degree angle, lifting it from the right side toward the left, while taking care not to strain the flex cable. Once all the clips are released, gently lift the mid-frame and then disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the fingerprint sensor plug from the logic board to completely remove the mid-frame. Next, remove the faulty battery from the frame. Apply gentle heat to soften the adhesive holding the battery in place. Do not apply heat if the battery is swollen or bloated. Carefully insert a plastic pry tool under the battery and slowly lift it. This step may take some time. Work your way around the battery, gradually cutting through the adhesive. Avoid bending, puncturing, or using excessive force on the battery. Once the battery is removed, clean any remaining adhesive from the frame. Next, apply new battery adhesive and then align and install the new battery into the frame. Next, hold the mid frame at a 90-degree angle and connect the fingerprint plug. Once connected, carefully close the mid frame into place. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, position the mid frame back onto the body and align it properly. Press gently around the edges to snap it into place. Make sure all the clips are secured. And then secure the mid frame by adding the 18 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the frame using bonding clips. Leave the clips in place for a while to allow the adhesive to bond, and then you can remove the clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.